SDA manages your industrial device software. This includes PLC code, device configuration files, and robot programs, which we make accessible through a modern web-based interface. Today, we're announcing a new local client that allows you to check in, check out, and sync your files directly from your desktop. This provides you with offline access to the latest versions whenever you need them. Here's a closer look.
Let me introduce you to the SDA Sync client, which can be shown here. So the Sync client is meant to be a tool for working hybrid, meaning using tools and features of the console and also using our local machine for syncing projects and working here locally. So as you see, the files are already synced here, which we can see here. The first one would be the systematic automation tool with one version, the diffing example, and so on. The same way we can see it in the console with our projects. So exactly the same. They are synced with the Sync client. What I can do here is basically I can check it out for editing, give it some comments, check out the version. After it's checked out, it's also locked in a platform, so you are the only one who can work in this one to avoid confusion and avoid multiple people working on the same version at the same time. If you just double click on the project, it will open the TIA portal. Once the project is open, I can continue working as I'm used to it. Here, for example, I'm just copying a block. Once I'm done with this one, I go to the Sync client again, check in the changes, copied block as comment, checking in this one. Once the changes were checked in using the Sync client, we can see the new version appearing here already. Since we go back to the console, we can also see that there is a diffing example, the project we worked in, and it has now 3 versions. The new version has the source local client, which was checked in by us using the Sync client. So this allows you to enable functionality using your engineering workstation, where you can just log projects by checking them out, working on them, doing some changes, and checking them in again, and then they are synced back to the console automatically.